Alright guys, it's shawnshawn here. We're about ready to do the 100 painting giveaway. Are you guys ready? Right down below where you're dialing in from. So you can see behind me all the paintings. Let's get started. So I'll show you prize number 1. That's 1. 2 painting. 3rd painting. 4th painting. 5th painting. 6th painting. 7th painting. 8th painting. 9th painting. 10th painting. So who do you think it is, guys? Let's check it out. So, first prize goes to Anna Moscow. Anna Moscow, you get those 10 paintings, so check it out. And look out for my email and I'll tell you how to respond. You guys ready for the second prize? Let's go check it out. So you get this little painting, this 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 painting, number 9, number 10. So who do you guys think won? Let's go check it out. So, second prize. Let's see who the second prize is. David Cosgrove. Second prize, David Cosgrove. I don't have any room here. So, here's our third prize. Who do you think won? Let's go see what the prizes are. So you get this little painting. Here's your second painting. The little third painting. 4th painting. 5th painting. 6th painting. 7th painting. 8th painting. 9th painting. And 10th painting. So, who do you think won the third prize, guys? Let's check it out. So, third prize goes to Donald Jones. Third prize, Donald Jones. You guys ready for fourth prize? Let's go check out the prizes. So you get this little painting. Number 2. Number 3, number 4, number 5 painting, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, and 10th painting. Who do you guys think won? Let's go check it out. So fourth prize was Donna Boisier. Alright, we're doing 5th prize. What do you guys think's in there? So you got this little painting. See if it's gonna zoom. That's the first painting. Second one. 3rd painting. 4th painting. 5th painting. 6th painting. 7th painting. 8th painting. 9th painting, 10th painting. So who do you think won? 5th prize, guys. So 5th prize winner is James King. James King is 5th prize. You guys ready for the 6th place? Let's see what the art is. So you have this little painting. This is the second. This is the third one. Fourth one. Fifth one. Sixth one. Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. 10th. So who do you guys think won for the 6th place? Let's check it out. 6th place is Jerry Sims. 6th place prize, Jerry Sims. You guys ready for 7th place? Let's go check out the art. So we got this little piece, if it focuses. Here's your 2nd place. 3rd, 4th painting. 5th painting, 6th painting, 7th painting, 8th painting, 9th painting, 10th painting. All right, 7th place prize. You guys still there? Where you guys dial in from? Let's see. So, 7th place prize winner is Chris Nappy. Chris Nappy. So you guys ready for 8th place? Let's go check out the art. So you get this little painting, if it wants to focus. This is the 2nd painting. 3rd painting. Come on, 4th painting. 5th painting. 6th painting. 7th painting. 8th painting, 9th painting, 10th painting. What do you guys think won? All right, for 8th prize, we have, whoa, I almost gave away the winner. Laura Edwards. Laura Edwards. You guys getting excited? We only have 20 paintings left. Let's see what the art is for prize winner number 9. So 9th prize. How with this painting? Little seascape. This is the 2nd painting. 3rd painting. 4th painting. 5th painting. 6th painting. 7th painting. 8th painting. 9th painting. 10th painting. So 9th prize. You guys ready? Who do you think it is? For 9th prize, we have Lori Sexton. Oh my gosh, it's hot in here, guys. I have to turn up the air conditioning to do the prize. I'm just like sweating bullets. Okay, so you guys ready for the final winner? This is the art. We got this little painting here. Second painting. 3rd painting. 4th painting. 5th painting, 6th painting, 7th painting, 8th painting, 9th painting, 10th painting. You guys ready for the final winner? Maybe I should make you guys wait, right? Okay, so our final prize winner. Drum roll, please. The last winner for the 10th place prize is Tammy Thornton. Tammy Thornton, 10th place prize. So all the winners, look out for an email. I'll give you instructions about how to finalize the process. There is a qualifying process still for all the 10th place 10 winners. If they don't qualify, there may be a runner-up winner. It always seems to be like there's one runner-up, so keep your eyes crossed. And for the people that didn't want to check your email anyway, there is a nice discount code for your first purchase on my website. Thanks for playing, guys. Good luck.